Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can put your website on Squarespace onto the Google search engine. So let's get right into it. Now for this, what we're going to be using is the Google Search Console. Now, if you have a Google account, you do have free access to the Search Console. However, you do need to have some URLs in your ownership so that you can launch your account with the DNS records of the site you're trying to use. Now, I currently don't have one, so I won't be showing you the details. However, what you need to do to get your site up on Google is very easy. You first need to go into your settings on your page. Then once you're in your website settings, you want to go down and click on third-party tools. And from here, click connected accounts. From here, just click connect account and select the search console. From here, just select the account which you wish to use. And once that's selected, it's going to ask you to sign into Squarespace, which you can then just confirm. And as you can see, you can select what Squarespace Analytics Search Console can access. I'll just click select all and then click continue once more. Once that's done, it will log me into the search console like so. Let's just wait for a second. And as you can see, it has connected my account to the search console. And that is basically it. This has automatically now connected my site and launched it on Google. However, my site is private, so it won't appear on the search engine. However, if you do this for your site, that is pretty much it. What I would recommend, though, is that you go over onto your Google Search Console account and then add a sitemap or the sitemap.xml file. This is basically a sitemap which tells Google Search which pages on your website it should index, which should include all of your pages on your site. And once you add that, then it will then go ahead and index everything correctly and show all of your pages on the search engine. Now you can also go into analytics as far as I'm aware, and you have the option to see your visits, your bounce rate, your unique visitor, and your page views. All of this data is, I'm pretty sure, synced to the Google Search Console itself, so you can freely use it and make improvements to your site over its lifetime. But yeah, that is pretty much it at this point. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.